Dear student, this video we are going to study about rank of matrix. So what is rank of a matrix? The definition is given by the highest order of non-vanishing minor of the matrix is called the rank of matrix. What is non-vanishing minor is not equal to 0. So why we need a rank of matrix? In next exercise we are going to solve simultaneous equation. So in solving simultaneous equation, rank of a matrix plays a vital role. So we are finding rank of a matrix. So what is rank of a matrix? First of all, it's a number. It can be 1, 2, 3 or 0, or it can be any number. So how to denote the rank of a matrix? It is denoted by row of A. Read as row of A. And so how it will be? Suppose a matrix A is of an order m by n, then row of A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. That is, minimum of m comma n means minimum of m or n. We have two methods to find the rank of a matrix. The first one, minor method or determinant method. Second one, row echelon method or row reduction method. What is minor method? Directly you can find the determinant of any matrix. So for determinant we need square matrix. Sometimes you have 2 by 3 or 3 by 4. You have to take only the square matrix format. And row reduction is also one of the simple method. So how it will be? It is like a triangular form of 0 you have to derive with the using of elementary transformation. So that is our next exercise. We will see one by one. Question number 1. Find the rank of the matrix 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. So what I am going to do? Let A equal to 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. So I have given the name of the matrix is A. What is your order of A? A is of order 2 by 2. Therefore, our row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 2 comma 2. What is minimum of 2 comma 2 is 2. So row of A is less than or equal to 2. It can be 2 or less than 2. So what is our minor method? We are going to follow minor method. So first to find the determinant of A. Why I am finding determinant of A? That is the highest order. So determinant of A is 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. The answer is 4. This is plus 4, but we have to write minus sign, so it is 0. So your A highest order of non-vanishing minor is this one, but here we are getting 0. So your row of A is not equal to 2. So if it is not equal to 0, your row of A is 2. Here is equal to 0, so your row of A is not equal to 2. So what we have to do next? This is step 1. The next highest order. What is the next highest order? It is 2 by 2 means next it will be 1 by 1. Therefore your row of A equal to 1. The rank of the matrix is 1. So it is clear. So 2 by 2, the determinant equal to 0 means your rank of the matrix is 1. 2 by 2, determinant is not equal to 0 means your row of A equal to 2. We will see one more question. This first one. Now the second one. Let A equal to minus 1 3 4 7 minus 7 3 minus 4, right? So the solution is given by, so directly I have taken A, so I can write the order. A is of order 1 2 3, so 3 by 2, 3 rows 2 column, alright. Therefore your row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 2. So what is minimum of 3 comma 2? It is 2. The minimum number you have to write. So row of A is less than or equal to 2. So here you have to take only 2 by 2 matrix. We cannot take 3 by 2. We are using minor method. So you can do, we can take any 2 by 2 matrix. It's like the first 2 or this 2. Like that you can take. Now once again I will write A. Our A is minus 1 3 4 minus 7 3 minus 4, 2 by 2 minor. I am taking the first one, minus 1 3 4 minus 7. The answer is 7 minus 12. Minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7. 4 into 3 12. It is minus 5. It's not equal to 0. Therefore row of A equal to 2. The rank of the matrix is 2. It is clear. Suppose here you are getting 0, then what you have to do? You have to go for the next 2 by 2 minor. That also equal to 0. Next you have the possibilities of, this is your first possibilities. Number 1 2 by 2, and this is number second 2 by 2, and the third one will be, so you have 3 by 2 matrices here, 3 by 2 matrices here. For that you can find 2 by 2 minor value. So if it is 2 by 2 minor values are 0, the third one is not equal to 0, means row of A equal to 2. If all the 2 by 2 minus are 0, then your rank of matrix will be 1. So it is clear. So first I am checking first 2 by 2 minor, that value is not equal to 0. So row of A equal to 2. The first I am getting 0, means next I am going to do for second one and next for third one. Like that you have to proceed one by one. So you have to check all the possibilities of 2 by 2. Now the third question, it is different one. Let A equal to 1 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3 0 1. Right? So here our row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 2 by 1 2 3 4. So 2 comma 4, that is less than or equal to 2. So you have to check for 2 by 2 minor. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Like that you have minus different you have. First we will check the first one. First 2 by 2 minor. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 6, that is equal to minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So the answer is 0. Next I am going for the second one. 2 by 2 minor. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3. The answer is 6 minus 6, again equal to 0. The third one will be minus 1 0 minus 3 1. So the answer is minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore your rho of A equal to 2. So it is clear. So I am checking first one, that is equal to 0. So next I am going for second one. Next I am going for the third one. That's it. Now the next question. Let A equal to 1 minus 2 3, 2 4 minus 6, 5 1 minus 1. So first we will write the order of the matrix. What is your order of A? A is 3 by 3. Therefore your row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 3, that is less than or equal to 3. So first we will find the 3 by 3 minor. Determinant of A is determinant of 1 2 5 minus 2 4 1 3 minus 6 minus 1. The values are 1 into 4 minus 6 1 1. Already you have minus 2, so it becomes plus 2 2 minus 6 5 minus 1 and plus 3 of 2 4 5 1. So the value 1 of 4 plus 6 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 30 plus 3 into 2 minus 20, that is 10 plus 2 of 28 plus 3 of minus 18. So it is 10 plus 56 minus 54. The answer is 12 is not equal to 0. Therefore row of A equal to 3. Why it is 3? Your 3 by 3 minor is not equal to 0, so it is 3. Suppose this value equal to 0 means your row of A not equal to 3. It is clear? The determinant not equal to 0, the answer is 3. If it is equal to 0, your row of A not equal to 3. That's it. You can write the conclusion. Therefore the rank of the matrix is 3. Like that, you have one more question that we will see. Let A equal to 0 0 8 1 2 1 2 4 0 and 1 3 2. So what is your order? A is of order 3 by 1 2 3 4, 3 by 4. Therefore row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 4, that is less than or equal to 3. It can be 3 or less than 3. So first we will go for 3 by 3 minor. You can independently select any 3 by 3 minor. Suppose I am taking the first 3, you can take the second 3, any one you can take. So 3 by 3 minor is 0 0 8 1 2 1 2 4 0. So the value is 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 into the value 0 4 8 0 plus 2 into 0 2 8 1, that is equal to 0 minus 1 of 0 minus 32 plus 2 of 0 minus 16. It becomes plus 32 and minus 32. So it becomes 0. So next I am going for this first one. I am going for second 3 by 3 minor. So what is the second one? We can take 1 2 1 2 4 3 1 0 2. We are leaving the first column, second row, second column, third column, fourth column we are taking. The answer 1 into 4302 minus 2 of 2312 plus 1 of 2410. So the values are 1 into 8 minus 0 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus 4. That becomes 8 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. So it becomes 8 minus 2 minus 4 is 8 minus 6. Answer is 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, your 3 by 3 minor is not equal to 0. Therefore, your row of A is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 3. Suppose you have some other question like your A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is one of the 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, your row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 3, that is less than or equal to 3. So the 3 by 3 minor is nothing but your determined value of the matrix 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9. The value is 0. You can find out yourself, that is your part. Is equal to 0. Therefore, row of A is not equal to 3. So next we have to go for 2 by 2 minor. So what is your 2 by 2 minor? How many 2 by 2 minus you have? 9 2 by 2 minus you have. 9 minor. 2 by 2 minus are 9 numbers you have. We can write 9 numbers. So what is 9 numbers? This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers you have 9 2 by 2 minor. First I am writing the first one. Determinant of 1, 2, 4, 5. You can independently select any one of the 2 by 2 matrix first. That becomes 5 minus 8, that is equal to minus 3, is not equal to 0. Therefore, your row of A equal to 2. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 2. So it is clear. So suppose all the 9 2 by 2 minor values are 0, you can write rank of the matrix is 1. So you have some easy method to find out the minor values are 0 or the rank of the matrix. After some other questions I will tell you how we can find out the rank of the matrix. So this is our first method. Now the method 2, you have row reduction method. Second question, find the rank of the matrix by row reduction method. Let A equal to 1 1 1 3 2 minus 1 3 4 5 minus 1 7 11. So your A is of order 3 by 4. So your row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 4. So that is less than or equal to 3. It can be 3 or less than 3. We will see how it will be. But here we cannot skip any row or any column. Directly you can take A equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 7, 11. So what I am going to do, these three places I need 0. That is step 1. These 3 places I need 0. For that, the first number is 1, means it is easily you can derive these zeros. Suppose I don't have 0 here. That is our next question that I will teach you again. So here what I am going to do, this is your R1, R2, R3. But here I need 0. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. So what is R2 minus 2R1? Why we need R2 minus 2R1? Here I need 0 with the using of R1. We cannot use any other row, any other column. Only these 2 places you have to use R1. These 2 and 5 you have to use R1. So how we can write? What number you have? The opposite you have to write. R2 minus 2R1. Suppose here 3. R2 minus 3R1. Suppose 4. R2 minus 4R1. When here 1 means you can write like this. Now what is your R2? 2 minus 1, 3, 4. Now what is your minus 2R1? Is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 6. So the answer is 0, minus 3, plus 1, minus 2. So this will be replaced in your R2 place. So that is equivalent to. The two matrices are not equal, but equivalent to, this symbol is read as equivalent to. 1, first row no change, 1, 1, 3. Second row will be 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2. R2, 5, 1, minus 1, 7, 11. So again this is your R1, R2, R3. So R2 no change, we have to change in the place of R3. R3 tends to R3 minus 5 R1. Where R3 is 5 minus 1, 7, 11. For R3, 5 minus 1, 7, 11. And your 5 R1 is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. 5 3s are 15, minus 15. So again subtraction, 0, minus 6, this is plus 2, this is minus 4. So this will be your new R3. So A is again is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 3 and 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 6, 2, minus 4. So now these two places are over. So here we need again 0. So what I am going to do, this place your R3 tends to R3 minus 2R2. So this place with the using of R2. These two places with the using of R1. So now what is your R3? R3 is 0, minus 6, 2, minus 4 and 2R2 minus 2R2 is 0, plus 6, plus 2, plus 4. So the answer is 0, 0, 0, here it is 4. So this is minus 2, so it becomes 0. So your equivalent matrix 1, 1, 1, 3, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 6, 0, 0, 0. So what is our triangular form? This is called echelon form or triangular form. Therefore here the number of non-zero rows is 2. So what is non-zero rows? Non-zero rows means these 2 rows. This row 1, row 2. Here this is fully 0. So it is called a 0 row. Therefore your row of A is equal to 2. Or you can write the rank of the matrix is 2. That's it. So this is enough today. Remaining we will see that next video. So it is clear. Thank you.